Kwa ya viga terenya kaonti ma Siaya kama tend kaonti ma Siaya chano donje winjruok kod riwruok mar Safaricom Foundation e kelo dongruok ne mopogore ne rowere mawuok e alworano. Kaluwore kod jagoro ma Siaya kaonti Joseph Ogutu, giseng'ado mar keto pachgi e yore ang'wen mag dongruok moriwo tiegruok, thieth, jiwo rowere kod rito alwora. Kolose kinde mane girwako jokanyo mag Safaricom Foundation e apis maduong' mar kaonti, Ogutu noyango ni gisechiwo e ndiko paro mopogore e wi chenro mag dongruok kaluwore gi dwaro mar Safaricom Foundation.
We have also proposed to Safaricom that we can work together to upgrade the VTCs, the centers of excellence, where we have chosen one vocational training center in every sub-county, and we want to work with Safaricom to have them equipped with laboratories and possibly libraries, so that the students in those particular schools can learn in a conducive environment.
Since the inception of foundation in this area, we've spent over 108 million on various projects across the county on different things for empowering the youth, health, education, we call it computer labs, computer equipment, we've done that, putting a library, we have done that as well. So we've done various projects in the county, but this time we have come together with our county, and we want to put all these projects together in such a way that whatever we do, we leave an impact, we leave a legacy.